Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. You are going to need the following tools to follow today's lesson. Some pre-made bezels, especially a square one and a stone that fits exactly in this bezel, different sizes of tubing and some faceted gemstones to match, some setting burrs in the correct size, and after watching my tutorial it will be clear to you which one you will need, your saw blade and some lubricant, your soldering equipment, sanding sticks and sanding paper in different grids, polishing material, vernier calipers and your scribe tool, a bezel rocker and a needle burnisher, a setting punch with a hammer and another burnisher are optional, some protoplast for you to hold your piece in so you can set the stones. And we haven't used this one before, but a magnifier can come in really handy and is a very important tool while setting stones. And I am getting a lot of questions in one of my previous tutorials about setting stones, how a stone doesn't fall through, and that's because of this small edge right here. And now we are going to go back to our drawing so I can show you what this edge does. Now it's all about the girdle here, because if you are going to set a stone, you want this part of the stone to rest in a cup or in a bezel, and you want a bit of silver here that you can fold over there. This can take away a bit more of the material, which will make it easier for my bigger burrs to do the same. Again with my 2.5mm burr. And every once in a while give some direct heat, so point the flame directly at your bezel cup. But be very careful because the top of your bezel is very thin and it's most likely to melt first. I'm folding over one side, then I'll go to the opposite side, and I'm folding over the sides of the stone. Of the silver, of course. And now we can continue with the rest of the bezel. As you can see, I am folding the silver against the stone. And this is about a 45-degree angle. And if you are curious how to make a needle burnisher yourself, you can do so from an old burr or something like that. Check out this video.